Wow, a lot of cars here. Is this a supermarket or what? That's what Heini was saying a moment ago as we pulled into this, well, it's a rather popular tourist destination here in the Ohio Amish country.
Yeah.
And this is the cheese factory. You like cheese?
Yes, I like
You like cheese, huh? They make cheese in Venezuela?
Yes,
Yeah?
someplace.
Someplace?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the cheese factory, and here you can go and watch them making cheese, I believe. If I'm not mistaken. It's called, what is this called? Looks like it's called Heine's, I think. Is that it? It's called Heine's, where the cheese is made. Come in and visit our shops. Welcome to Heine's place. I don't know if Heini is here or not. Maybe Heini is here. Now, much to our surprise, we found out that Heini is actually the first Venezuelan to visit the Ohio Amish country. There's never been another Venezuelan visiting the Ohio Amish country. But Heini is the first. And many people, you know, they come here and they like look at the Amish. They say, oh, there's an Amish person. But all the Amish people here are saying, hey, look, there's a Venezuelan person. Right? Exactly. So let's check out this, well, look at the line here. Quite a line. Wow. Where the cheese is made. I'm just looking for the samples. That's all. Really? If I were in Budapest, I'd say Bocano, Toban samples. A lot of cars in the parking lot. I see samples. I see samples. There's the samples. Oh, I like the samples. That's right. Let's see. What are we sampling? Oh, it's hot. They got chili lime. What is this?
I tried the cheese and the cheese
Chunky?
was not bad, but the meat is
Crunchy cheese crisp.
Oh, don't do it.
Let's see. Oh, yeah. It's hot. Ooh. Ooh, that's hot.
Here, go have our barbecue cheese. Let's just try that
Ooh,
too.
try this one, Heini. Heini, try this one. Yeah, try that one.
Look like spicy.
No, it's not spicy. That one's not spicy. This is like Costco. You know? This is like Costco on a Saturday afternoon.
Yeah.
You know? Very similar. Lots and lots of. Oh, there's Heini. Heini is indulging. She's indulging. You got one? Huh? He has a coupon for you, I think.
Yeah, I do.
He has a coupon for you. Thanks, Aaron.
Welcome.
Can I have one?
Sure.
Let me have one. Thank you thank you very much.
So where are you folks from?
Florida. We're from Florida. This is like Costco on a Saturday afternoon. Look at all these samples. You have, this is Michael.
This is Michael. Cinnamon glazed pecans. And
Cinnamon glazed pecan. You like cinnamon glazed. Almond. This is almond. You going to try one?
So you folks have a blog?
A what?
A blog?
Yeah, yeah. Uh-huh. ThomasHall.com.
Awesome.
ThomasHall.com. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Okay. Bye, Aaron.
Bye.
Okay. Now I want to see where the cheese is made. Okay. There's a big line here for something, and I don't know what this line is for. It's a tour? Maybe I should ask somebody. What are you folks in line for? The cheese tour? Go and see it, maybe. Oh, to taste the cheese. So there's a line here. Yene, what does she have? Oh, Yene's got sweets. What are those? Let me see.
It says chocolate.
Okay, Yene, you want to get in line? If you want to taste the cheese, we got to get in line.
Wow.
Go, when you get in line, I'll go do the tour.
Very good
Okay,
idea.
oh yeah, it's a very good idea for me. You just stay in line and talk to the man from the USA Coast Guard. Tell him that you are the first Venezuelan in the Ohio Amish country. Okay? The very first Venezuelan in the Ohio Amish country. Okay? Very famous. You're very famous. Okay. So I'm going to work my way through here. Excuse me. Oh, sign says, sorry, no cheese making today. So you can see these people here. It's kind of like, it looks, you know, I think it's like a buffet. You kind of go through the line here. It's like a buffet. You're going through the line and you're sampling the cheese, I guess. Yene's gonna wait in line. Here's the oh, this is where they'd be making the cheese. If they were making the cheese. Look at that. That would look like a killer commune hot tub, wouldn't it? Put some seats in there, throw in some bubbly, turn on the jets. There's your community jacuzzi. I think they have those over in Korea. They have like bathhouses or something like that. I forget what they're called. Oh, there's another line over here too. There's lines everywhere. So you come through, more samples. Everywhere you go, there's samples. These are pretzels. Skip up there in the villages. He lives off pretzels. He has like a 100-pound bag or a 100-pound sack next to his chair in his man cave. I think it's about a 100-pound sack. But yeah, sure enough, look at this. So this is what everybody's doing. They're just walking along and they're sampling the different cheeses as they go along. Fast-red processed cheese. This is horseradish right here. You can sample a little horseradish cheese. Wow. Poor Yene, she's waiting in the line for me. I better go grab her. She's a good sport. Yeah, you just get in the queue here. You just get in the queue and just walk along and sample all the. I think this is cream cheese here. So here they're sampling. You can sample some cream cheese, and this here is they're sampling fudge right here. Better get it's like a sampling buffet line.
I got two of them.
Something like that. You know, it's like oh, where's Yene? There's Yene. All right. This is like the Costco sampling buffet or something like that. It's just many. You taste everything. You want? You want to do it? Huh? Yeah, we're in line now.
We're in the line.
Huh?
All right. Stay in the
What?
line.
Now, where are you going?
I want to look for something.
You're going to look for something. What am I supposed to do? Okay. Well, so she is, I think I can turn this thing around. There it is. So here I am. So anyway, this is probably I don't know, I grew up not too far from this area. But this is probably about, I don't know, 4th, 5th time that I've been down to the Ohio Amish country. And I don't know how long I'm going to stand in line to get little pieces of cheese. You know, I'm not going to buy any cheese. So I don't know why I'm going to stand in line and sample cheese. Well, maybe I do, because it's free. And Skip was here. Skip would be damn proud of me right now. For those of you just watching this video, You'll hear me oftentimes referencing Skip. Skip is my mentor. Skip is Skip Smith, The Villages. You can just Google. Just search. Go to YouTube. Type in. You could type in. I think you could type in The Man, The Villages, or just type in Skip Smith, The Villages. I think you'll find it. But anyway, so we're gonna see if I can't find the. Oh, we're almost up. We're almost up to the. We're almost up to the line. I feel like I'm in the military or something. You know, when I'm standing in the chow line, waiting to get samples. You know, they have fudge over there. Do you like fudge?
This is only for. Do you want to buy something?
Well, they have cake. They have fudge. You see chocolate, everything over there. You can go get some samples over there. Huh? Oh yeah. So I don't know. Let's see here. I think we're almost to the. We're almost up to the front of the line, and this is a little bit ridiculous. I don't think I'm going to stand in line to get some samples, but you can see. Did you have some sample? They have toothpick here. You see here. Here you go. Try the chocolate. Try the chocolate mint. What do you think? Is it good? You'd recommend the chocolate mint? Yeah.
I prefer other one.
She prefers the other one. But you know, here you can get all types of good stuff. They've got beef and cheddar smokies, pepper and Swiss smokies. They got it all here. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this quick little tour of this cheese factory here in I think we're in Berlin, Ohio, or somewhere very close there. Probably. Have a great day.